This is my bike check. It's brand new bike parts I got today. The Shadow pivotal seat. Animal Hamilton pedals in red. And I got these new Low-Tecs. And this is my bike. Alienation graffiti tire. Fit down low regular stem. Odyssey monolever. Animal grips, Shadow Voltus bars, Twins Bike Shop custom sprocket, 3-piece cranks, 410 chain, brakes, Odyssey Aitken tires, Alienation black sheep rims front and back, right there. It's Fit Bike Trail 3. Also, got some new grips. Right here. This stuff is available for purchase. Animal seat. Odyssey seat, painted. Animal pedals in black. Animal pedals in clear, and Odyssey brake pads.